A very good morning to you all. I hope you all are fine. So this is our last lecture on the topic model. Today we are going to finish it. So in this class we will study about the use of will and shall. If you remember, will and shall are used in future tense also, but as a model they are used to represent promise, to promise something, offer, to offer someone, determination, your firm determination, threat, किसी को डराना, command, to give command, decision, to show your decision, and willingness, आपकी इच्छा in future. किसमें दर्शाता है? In future. The difference between in these, this will is used with I, we or first person with reference to the subject, and shall is used with the second and third person, that are you, it, he, she, they. Okay, let's see or understood it better with the example. I will help you. What I will do? I will help you. This is an example of promise, that we are promising someone to help them. Then I am promising someone to help him. You should not go there. This is a sort of command. We are giving someone command that you should not go, you shall not go there. And this, now the next example, I will become a doctor. I am not a doctor, मैं present में doctor नहीं हूँ, but my willingness या मेरी इच्छा ये है कि I will become a doctor one day. That is my willingness. So what we have used? Will. Now we shall arrest you. हम क्या कर लेंगे? आपको गिरफ्तार कर लेंगे. This is a sort of threat. हम किसी को क्या दे रहे हैं? डरा रहे हैं. That this is a sort of threat that we will arrest you. I hope you have understood it better. Now use of would. Would is the past form of will. Would क्या है? Will की past form है. These are used for polite request. Very politely we are requesting someone. To ask intention in present, किसी से कुछ पूछना present में, किसी के बारे में जानना present tense में. And in indirect speech, अगर किसी sentence में will है तो it will automatically converted into would. जैसे shall का वैसे will का क्या हो जाएगा? Would. Let's see the example. Would you please give me your number? Would you please give me your number? यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are politely requesting someone to give her or his number to me. So what we have used? Would. This is a किसका example है? Interrogative का. What would you like to have? आप क्या लेना चाहेंगे? To ask intention in present. यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं? किसी से पूछ रहे हैं कि what will you like to have? आपको क्या चाहिए? Either can be a tea or coffee, anything else, but it should be in the intention to ask something. Now the last is use of used to. Use of used to. Used to का यूज होता है habitual actions of past. Habitual जिनकी हमारी हैबिट थी, मतलब, और वो कब थी? पास्ट में. वो एक्शन जो हमारे पास में क्या हमारी हैबिट बन चुकी थी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई यूज टू प्ले फुटबॉल डेली व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज. मैं डेली फुटबॉल खेलता था. कब खेलता था? बट व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज. सो इट इज यूज टू शो योर हैबिट्स विच यू हैव मतलब आपने छोड़ दिए, या फिर यू आर नॉट कंटिन्यूइंग दैट, विच आर द एक्शंस विच आर इन द पास्ट. अंडरस्टूड? So these are certain models जो हम पिछली क्लासेस में पढ़ते हुए आए हैं. Today we have finished them. Now we will do some exercising. I am sharing some exercises. You have to do that exercise in your copy and send it on my number. Thank you.